Welcome to T1 Academy. In this video, we are going to learn one of the basic and important things from the calculation part, that is Bodmas. Why? Because nowadays in most of the examinations, they are asking a question from this Bodmas students. This is very important. At any cost, we should not neglect this concept. And one more thing is, we should save a lot of time while solving this concept. Okay, now before going to this Bodmas, we should know what is the full form of this Bodmas. See, Bodmas, we have learnt only it as Bodmas, but there is one more thing, that is V. We should consider it as V Bodmas. Sir, what is this V? V means here vinculum. This is nothing but a bar. This is nothing but a bar. So what happens? See, this B means what? Brackets. This B means what? Brackets. So this brackets also, there will be three types of brackets, right students? The first one should be a small bracket. Okay. Next one is a flower bracket. And the last one is a square bracket, or we can call it as also a big bracket. So in brackets also the order is first small bracket, next flower bracket, and then the perfect big bracket or the square bracket. Okay, so this is the order of these brackets. And O means what? Off. Off is nothing but into only. Off is nothing but multiplication only, but he will use the word off, means into only. Next, D means what, students? We all know it is division. Division. Okay, and next I should do the multiplication. And see here students, in case of this addition and subtraction, we can do it simultaneously. No problem with that. We can add all the positive terms, we can add all the negative terms, and then do the mathematical operation between them. Okay, so A and S we can do it simultaneously. Later while solving the problems we will see it. So here vinculum, first bar, and then next brackets of this order, and then next division and multiplication and so on. Okay, now see here students, how this bar will be given generally in the examinations means 5 into 4 bar, like this they will give. So first we should solve this one. 5 4s are what? Under this bar what it is there? 5 into 4, that is 20, or else sometimes they will say 5 plus 4. First I should solve this one. So 5 plus 4 is what? 9. Okay, this is how we are going to see this vinculum bar. Okay, vinculum or bar, remember it as bar, or else B Bodmas. Whatever it is, we should solve that bar first, and then next brackets of division, multiplication and addition and subtraction, we can do it simultaneously with our basic mathematical knowledge. Right, now we will solve the questions directly, students. Now see here, the first question. 56 divided by 1 by 3 and the brackets here, and then last I have a bar here. So as I have already told you, don't waste your time in writing all these things, students. Write on the paper or in the rough sheet or directly 5 plus 7. So first I should give the importance to this bar, right? So 5 plus 7 will become what for me here? 12. It will become 12. And then next brackets. In the brackets also I have given you the priority. First small bracket. So I should solve in this one. 9 plus 6 minus 12. See what happens to this bracket, small bracket. 9 plus 6 minus 12. 9 plus 6 minus 12. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 12 is how much? 3. So this value will become what for me here? 3. So this complete value will become what here for me? 3. Okay, next. Now come to this flower braces. So what happens to this now? 15 plus 12 minus 3. Why? Because this is minus. So 15 plus 12 is what? 27. 27 minus 3, it will become what? 24. That means overall this small bracket will become what for me here? Sorry, flower bracket will become what for me here? 24. Now at last I was left with what? 56 divided by 1 by 3, 24. This is the thing which I was left with. So now I should solve this bracket. So 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. So last I got here what? 56 divisible by 8, which is equal to 7. So this is how we need to solve, and don't waste your time by writing all these steps each and every time. Do it directly. Don't waste your time at any cost. Okay. Next, we will see roughly some 10 examples. That's it, students, from this concept. A simple and important concept. Now see here, students. This is the question. Now please observe here. Here the bracket is for 43 to this one. Now in this also, under this bar also, the first priority should be given to what, students? We all know the first priority should be given to 8 into 5. Before subtraction, what I should do? I should do the multiplication. So 8 5s are what, students? 40. So now 40 minus 43 minus 40, it will become what? 3. That means under this bracket completely it becomes 3. Now 5 minus 3, it becomes what? 5 minus 3, it becomes what? 2. That means overall this bracket will become what for me? Overall this bracket will become 2 for me here. Okay, overall this bracket becomes a 2. So now first I should do this one. Brackets, right? Bodmas means first bracket only. So 3 into 2, it becomes what? 6. That means overall this will become what for me now? 6. 24 by 6. 24 by 6, it becomes what? 4. 4. Next 7 4s are students 28. Okay, now 34 minus 28, it becomes what? 6. So 5 plus 6, it becomes what? Overall 11. 5 plus 6, it becomes what for us here? 11. 11. So in this manner, try to solve the answer. Don't waste your time by writing each and everything for multiple times or writing all these things for each and every step. It is waste of time. In the given time, you should do it quickly. That is enough. Okay. Next one. Now, see here, this is the question for us. So, first I should solve the contents under this bracket. These type of questions are difficult, students. See, earlier one anyway, it is very simple. Why? Because all are there in the brackets. Now, here first what I should perform here, definitely I should finish this bracket and then only I should come to the remaining things. In this bracket also, what is the first preference I should give? For division. So, 12 divided by 4, what it is? 3. After this, I should give importance for multiplication. So, 3 3s are what it becomes? 9. And here 2 2s are what it becomes? 4. So, overall this becomes what here? 20 plus 9 minus 4. 20 plus 9, it becomes what? 29. Minus 4, it becomes what? 25. That means overall this bracket is what now for me? 25. 25. 25. Now, 25 means 2 into 25, it becomes what? 50. It becomes 50, which is minus 50. Now, finally, I was left with 36 minus 50 plus 10. 36 minus 50 plus 10. So, overall, it becomes what for me here? Minus 4. It becomes minus 4. Right? This is the method to solve these type of problems. Next one. Now, see here, students. Here also the same thing. First preference should be given to what? These brackets. These brackets and these brackets individually. Don't think too much about this. We should give them individual importance. Now first 44 into some bracket. So what it becomes? What is our division? 84 divisible by 7. What it becomes? 12. Okay, put that aside. Now come to this one. So first preference should be given to this bracket. Bracket inside bracket. So first this value will become what for me here? 3. And then next I should give importance to this 3 divisible by 3. What is this overall? It becomes now for me 1. Okay, put that aside. Next I should give importance to this one. 3 tens are 30. So 30 plus 10 minus 1. Overall it becomes what for me here? 39. So this complete bracket will become what now for me? 39. This complete bracket will become what for me now? 39. Now see here. 12. After that, should I do 44 into 12 or 12 divided by 2? Definitely I should do 12 divided by 2. Why? Because division should be done first. 12 by 2, what it becomes? 6. 12 by 2, what it becomes? 6. So now 44 6 are. It becomes what here, students? 264. Minus, and what is this complete value? 39. 264 minus 39. It becomes what, students, here for us? So 225. So 225 is the answer for this one, for this Bodmas. So you should be very careful what value should be solved first and what value should be solved next. That is very important for us. Okay, according to this Bodmas. Don't worry, in our further videos we will see the simplification also later. We will see the simplifications also later while solving the problems. Now see here. This is very tricky, students. Why? Because we can see many ones here, right? There are many ones here. So please be careful while solving these type of problems. Okay, you should be very careful while solving this type of problems. Why? Because we have many ones in this case. Now, first what is the thing I should solve here? I should solve this small bracket. I should solve the small bracket. In that small bracket also I should solve this division. 1 divided by 2 means it will become what? 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 overall it will become what for me here? 3 by 2. Right? 1 plus 1 by 2 it becomes 3 by 2. Now I will come to this Fourier braces. In this Fourier brace also first I should divide this division. First I should do this 1 divided by 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 it will become what? 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3. Now 1 plus 2 by 3 will become what? Tell me. In this Fourier bracket overall 1 plus 2 by 3 it will become what? 5 by 3. Overall this Fourier bracket now it is becoming what? For me 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Now come to this next one. So 1 divided by 5 by 3 it becomes what? 3 by 5. So 1 plus 3 by 5. 1 plus 3 by 5. So up to here it is becoming 3 by 5. So 1 plus 3 by 5 it will become what for me? 8 by 5. So 1 divided by 8 by 5 it becomes what, students? 1 divided by 8 by 5 it becomes what? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So how? We all know 1 by 8 by 5 means it becomes what? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Or else you can also take in the reverse multiplication also. As a see, A into 1 by B. Or else if I have something like this, A divided by 1 by B. A divided by 1 by B. What I can write this as? A into B, right? Sir, how? A divided by 1 by B means what is its meaning? This is the meaning of this one. So B will come to numerator. So A into B. The same logic here also. Okay. Same logic here also. 1 divided by 8 by 5 means directly it will become what? 5 by 8. Reverse. Just a reciprocal. 1 into 5 by 8. 1 into 5 by 8 will become what? 5 by 8 only for us. So here the answer is what? 5 by 8. The answer is 5 by 8. Okay. Next one. Now pause the video and try to solve this one, students, everyone. Pause the video and try to solve this one. So 10620 divided by this number. So in this first preference should be given to what? This small brackets one. Okay, 72 plus 66 it will become what, students? 72 plus 66 it becomes 138. So here it is 3 by 4 into 138 minus 20 into 3 by 4. 20 into 3 by 4. So what it becomes? 4 ones, 4 5s. So 5 3s are, it becomes 15. Similarly, 138 by 4. 138 by 4 it becomes what? 69 by 4, right? Sorry, 69 by 2. 69 by 2. Okay. It becomes 69 by 2. So 69 3s are, it becomes 207 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 15. This will become 207 by 2 minus 15. So this overall will become what now, tell me? 207 minus 30 by 2. Right? It becomes what? 177 by 2. It becomes 177 by 2. But what is the number I have previously? 10620 divided by 177 by 2. So I can write this one as what? Just now I told you 10620 into 2 by 177. 2 by 177. 2 by 177. Now I can cancel it in 3 table, right? So 3 5s are 15 and 9s are 27. Next in 3 table only, 3 3s are 9, 1 6 means 5s are, 4s are and 0s are. Right. So we will get 59 times in 3 table and 3540 by 3 table. Now 59 1s are, 59 6s are 354. See 59 6s are 354 and 0. So 60 into 2 it will become what? 120. So here our answer becomes 120. Our answer here becomes 120. Okay. So you should be quick while cancelling the things, students, so that you will get the answers quickly. Next one. 720 divided by 360 divided by 120 divided by 30 into 18. This is little bit tricky, right? There are many divisions. So which I should divide first? Which I should divide first means, don't worry, don't think too much. As usual, very simple. Write it in the normal form. So 720, if I want to convert, see, if I see divisions, I will get confused. If I want to change a division into multiplication, how I can write that one? Tell me, students. 720 into 1 by 360. Now similarly into 1 by 120 into 1 by 30 into 18. Understood, students? Don't get confused. Make it simple. Make it simple. Now there will be no confusion. You are very good in multiplication anyway. Now you can cancel. 361s, 362s. Okay, good, superb. Next, 2 ones, 2 60s. Okay. Next, 6 3s, 6 10s. Next, 3 ones, 3 10s. So overall it is becoming what here, students? 1 by 100. Overall it is becoming what? 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means what? It becomes 0.01. It becomes what? 0.01. So this is how you need to solve. Don't get confused by seeing many divisions or any other thing. Just when you change the division to multiplication, what happens? It becomes inverse. So 1 by 360, 1 by 120, 1 by 30. So now you know, when there is a division, you will have a confusion, but when there is a multiplication, there will be no confusion at all. You will get the answer very clearly and effectively. Very clearly and effectively. Okay, right? That's it, students. Now we will move to the next one. Okay. Next, see here, 24 plus 13 minus 5 into 0.5 of 10. Okay, minus this one. So first what I should do here, students? I should do off in Bodmas, brackets and then off, brackets and then off. So first of all in brackets, 17 minus 2, what it becomes? 15. So 45 by 15 it becomes what? 3. 40 by 5 by 15 it becomes what? 3. So what happens here for me? Please see here, next I should solve this one. I should solve this one. 0.5 of 10 means what? 0.5 into 10. It will become what? 5. It will become what? 5. So 5 into 5 it becomes what? 25. So overall at last I will be left with 24 plus 13 minus 25 minus 3. So as I already told you, you can do addition and subtraction simultaneously. Addition and subtraction simultaneously, there will be no problem at all. So what happens to this one, students? Please observe carefully. 24 plus 13 minus 25 minus 3. So minus 25 minus 3 it will become minus 28. Plus 24 plus 13 it becomes what? Plus 37. So 37 minus 28 it becomes what for me overall? 9. It becomes what here for me? 9. Okay. Next one. 828 by 4 into 3 minus 8, and this is the process which we need to do. This is the process which we need to do. Now see here's 828 by 4, and tell me what are the things which I should solve first. First I should solve these brackets. So 105 by 35, it is what? 3. Okay, good, superb. Next, before multiplying this one, first I should solve this one. 6 by 24, it will become what? 1 by 4. 8 into 1 by 4, it becomes what? 2. 2 into 10, it becomes overall 20. Overall, it becomes 20. Now next, 828 by 4. 828 by 4, it will become what here, students? 207. 207. 207 into 3, it becomes what? 207 into 3, it becomes 621. Minus this complete value is 20. Plus this complete value is 3 minus 15. 3 minus 15, as I already told you. So 624 minus 35. 624 minus 35. What it becomes? Overall 589. It becomes 589 for us. It becomes 589. Understood? This is how we need to solve this problem. Right. Everyone pause the video and try to get the answer for this one. Pause the video and try to get 152 divisible by divided by 200 of 0.1 plus 126 of 14 divided by 14 of 98 divisible by 14. Okay. So now what happens to this one? Please see here. First I should solve 98 divisible by 14. What it becomes, students? It becomes 7. 14 of 7 means it becomes 14 into 7. 14 into 7. Next, please see here, 126 of 14 means it becomes 126 into 14. 126 into 14. It becomes 126 into 14. Okay, good, super. Now 200 of 0.1 means it becomes what, students? It becomes 20. It becomes 20. Now please see here, first before addition I should solve these two. I should solve these two. So now 126 divided by 14 by 14 into 7. So 14 will get cancelled. 7 ones 7 in 7 table. 7 1 times and 56 means 8 times. 18. So 20 plus 18 it becomes what, students? 20 plus 18. Overall it becomes 38. So 152 divisible by 38. When I divide 152 with 38, when I divide 152 with 38, 38 ones are 38 fours are. So the final answer here will become what, students? 4. The final answer here becomes 4. Okay. Next one. Now everyone solve this one. Please be careful. Here we have a minus. Here we have minus. Okay. Minus 81 divided by 9. What happens to this one? Minus 81 divided by 9. It becomes minus 9. Okay. Minus 9. Next, in this bracket, I should solve this one. So 9 divided by minus 9, it becomes what for me? Minus 1. Okay. So 4.73 plus 4.27 minus 1. 4.73 plus 4.27, it will become what? Together 9. 9 minus 1, that means this complete value will become what for me here? 8. This will become 8. So 9 into 8. 9 into 8 means it becomes what up to here? 72. It becomes what? 72. So 9 divided by 72. 9 divided by 72 I will get here at last. So finally what I have here? 73 divided by 9 plus 9 divided by 72. 9 plus 9 divided by 72. 9 divided by 72. Okay. 9 divided by 72. So what happens to this one, students? 73 divided by 9 plus 9 by 2. 9 divided by 72 means what I can write? 9 plus 1 by 8. 9 plus 1 by 8 means it becomes what, students? 9 plus 1 by 8. 73 by 8. It becomes 73 by 8. So now 73 divided by 73 means I can write this as 73 into 8 by 73 already as we have discussed. So 73 will get cancelled. So what is the answer you are going to get here? 8. You are going to get here the answer as 8. Understood? Right? The next one. Now please try to solve this one, students, everyone. 91 divided by 7. As I already told you, first we should solve this small bracket. 91 divided by 7 means what it becomes? 13. Now come to this small bracket. 8 minus 2, it will become what? 6. And then next this multiplication, 6 will get cancelled. And then next 4 ones, so 4 16s. So 16 plus 17, it will become what, students? 16 plus 17. 16 plus 17, why? Because all these things gets cancelled. 16 plus 17, it will become 33. And outside it is 13. So 13 into 33. 13 into 33. Okay. 390 plus 39, it will become what for us? 429. It becomes 429. Becomes 429. Next one. That's it, students. These are the questions based on this Bodmas. In some other video, we will see the questions based on simplifications also. Why? Because nowadays, to waste the time in the examination hall, most of the examiners are preferring to give questions from this Bodmas or the simplification type of questions. Right? We will see a new concept in our next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.